Hey guys, my name is Freedom. This is Headshot 3 plugin for CC5, the Character Creator 5, a new release plugin. You can see this is the original photo, original headshot photo, and this is the final 3D model that generated from just a piece of picture. So in this video, I'm going to test the Headshot 3 plugin step by step, and I will just let you to see how to get the final result in this way. Alright, let's go. This is CC5, the Character Creator 5 Headshot 3 plugin, a new release plugin. So today I'm going to test it with just a random picture. So here I'm going to choose one, just a headshot picture, drag and drop into the image. Then it is going to pop out the option. The next, I will just select generate hair because I also want the original hairstyle from the original headshot photo. Then I will go to the body. This is a male. Then he's a teen. The body shape I may choose skinny. Then I click generate and wait for a few seconds. The AI is going to generate the whole 3D model for your CC5, the Character Creator 5. Right now it's done. Just have a look on the effect. So how is it? This is a teen. And the next step, you may just give him some clothes and just make it become a 3D avatar for your CC5. And of course you can export it as FBX file so that you can use it in third-party software like the Unreal Engines or Blender or any other 3D software that you need. Alright, that's all for today about my testing on the new Headshot plugin, the Headshot 3 plugin for CC5, the Character Creator 5. You can generate any of the 3D model just from a piece of picture, from image to 3D. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you!